Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Eyes Open 3, Unit 4, Lesson 19, Adventure.
Welcome back to Eyes Open 3, presentation for B1 learners, designed especially for the 9th grade. Go ahead, open up your students' books, Unit 4, Adventure. Student book, page 46. Discover culture. Look at these photos. Do you know what they are? Number 2. Work with a partner. What do you know about Australia? Make a list of other images you might see in the video. Notice the photos show the Sydney Opera House, an Australian beach, and a koala bear. So now go ahead and find out about Australia. Brought to you by Discovery Education, the strange and beautiful land of Australia.
The strange and beautiful land of Australia.
Have you ever visited Australia? Millions of people travel there every year, and it's easy to see why. You can begin at this famous place, the Sydney Opera House. Then, far from Sydney, you can visit another one of Australia's most famous places, Uluru. It is 348 metres high, but most of this giant rock is underground. In Alice Springs, in the centre of the country, you can experience one of Australia's most unusual sports, camel racing. People first brought camels to Australia in the 1800s. Since then, the population of wild camels has grown to nearly 1 million. And what's it like to ride a wild camel? It's not easy. You hold on and try not to fall off. More famous and popular than camels are Australia's native animals. Visit a national park to see kangaroos, koalas and wombats. But the most important animal in Australia is the sheep. Australia produces more wool than any other country, and now sheep shearing has become a sport. You can see these competitions all over the country. After a long day of travelling, how about an evening at the races? The toad races. Australians make everything a sport, even the animal they hate the most. Cane toads are poisonous and kill anything that eats them, but these Aussies don't care. They just want their toad to win. If you like sports without animals, try Australian rules football. It's the country's favourite sport. It's a confusing game. It's a bit like rugby. Most visitors don't understand it, but that just makes Australians love it more. With its unique land, people and animals, Australia is like no other place on earth.
Section 3. Now, go ahead and with the images, which images did you see in the exercise 1? Make a list of the other things that you saw under the categories below: famous places, animals, and sports. Section 4. Complete the sentences with the correct words. Section 5. Match these adjectives with the things that they describe in the video. Section 6. What other information did you hear about these things? Watch the video again if you need, rewind and watch it again, and check your answers. So go ahead and take time also for Section 7 before we go through our corrections. Section 7. What is the video about? Choose the best summary, A, B, or C, that best matches the video. So go ahead and pause the video, complete your exercises to the best of your ability, and then resume for your corrections. Corrections. Student Book, page 46, Discover Culture.
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.